Good morning, everyone. This is Jomar Hilario, and you are in the Ask Me Anything webinar. This 3 p.m. We're gonna run until 4 p.m. The table is open. Please enter your questions. We are joined today by one of my students, Red Denal, who's doing affiliate marketing and blogging. So if we can ask him to say yes, we can interview him right now. So, so hi, Five May. Hi, Jasmine again. Hi, Noel, Lucelle, Diana, Cindy, Sin, Bernie, Anna, and Annie again, and Marlon. So, one of the marks of a person who is awake. Can you type the word awake? Is a person who knows what kinds of questions to ask. Now, that's a very, very difficult thing to do, sa totoo lang. Yung you don't know what questions to ask. Kasi your point of view in life, parang hindi ka ready mag-ask ng questions. Tama ba ako? Do you understand what I'm saying? So it's an Ask Me Anything webinar, but you don't know what to ask. Well, primarily also because nahiya ka sa akin kasi hindi ako nice, mga ganong klaseng gimmick. Pero aside from just nahihiya ka sa akin, kahit na hindi si Jomar yung kaharap nyo, you don't seem to know what to ask. Tama ba? You don't seem to know kung ano yung tatanungin mo sa buhay. So that actually reveals na medyo your state in life, no, is kind of tulog pa. Don't worry, ganyan din ang nangyayari sa akin pag ano, pag pag may kaharap ako na more successful than me, I have no idea what to ask. Okay? Hindi ko rin masyadong gets. Na to the point na, sige, magsalita ka na lang dyan, makikinig na lang kami. Yung mga ganyang klase. So, do you know what I mean? Do you feel what, are you feeling what I am saying? Parang, Jomar, sige, salta ka lang. I don't really know what to say, what to ask, ganyan. So bundle 5, meron bang success planning na downloadable? Actually, there's an even better option than a downloadable success planning. Pero hindi siya part ng bundle 5, not yet. We're not, it's not part of the promo because we haven't determined kung paano yung gagawin. So I want you to look at your own calendar. I'm going to show you my calendar muna. So let me show you my calendar. And I'm going to show you this January calendar. Okay? Can you see the calendar right now? Say, I can see it. Okay. Yung week ng Monday, that's January 20 to January 24. How many days is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that week? 20 to 24. That's 5 days, right? That week is a 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock na webinar for the planning event. So, this is a paid webinar. This is for people na gustong mag-join sa planning pero wala ka naman sa Maynila. So, instead of you showing up on the 25th in Manila, we're going to do a 5-day webinar series, which is essentially me and you online. You're planning your life for 5 days. Now, because it's not a seminar, no, it's 2 hours a day. Essentially, I'm just gonna talk for 15 minutes. I'm gonna leave you for 45 minutes. You can go online and ask a question. I'll be answering you. I'll be online for that, no? Yeah, we will not do a show on January 20. The January 20 show will be part of the webinar. So may webinars sa January 20, may webinars January 21, 22, 23, 24. So you have to, 8 o'clock yan, you have to avail of that. That's the essentially the downloadable version of the planning webinar. So serious yan. It's also not free. Okay? Yung January 20 to 24, it's not free. I'm going to be spending 5 days with you, so that's obviously not free. and I'm going to guide you kung anong gagawin do sa 25. So instead of you showing up sa 25 because you're not there, you're not in Manila, doon tayo sa 20 to 24 now. So yan yung planning webinar na yan. So everybody na naman, nasa Qatar kayo, something like that. If you want to plan your life, well, actually, wala ka naman choice. Kung gusto mo talagang tumino yung buhay mo, meron ka dapat written plan. Can I ask everyone a question? Because I don't really see much of a question. Ito pala. What are the chances of an OFW to be successful as a VA or online marketer? So parang tinatanong mo yung chance. So that's a weird question, Leah, kasi para tayong nag-gamble, no? Hindi naman. Wala namang gambling dito na involved. There are already OFWs who are virtual assistants. I just read an email kagabi. Somebody who is in, I think, Saudi, I think? Nag-VA siya for 5 months. Sa Saudi siya. Nasa Saudi siya. Weird, no? Nasa Saudi siya. Alam mo nangyari kasi, medyo nag-illegal siya doon. Tapos nag-crackdown. So, wala na siyang trabaho. So, ang ginawa niya, sabi niya doon sa kanyang boss, sige, sa bahay na lang ako. So, magkakilala sila, pero hindi sila nag-meet. Sa bahay siya, nasa office yung boss niya. VA siya. Saudi siya. Sa internet siya nag-work. Pero nasa Saudi siya. So, it's already possible. Now, online marketer, that's a person who sells on the internet. As long as you know how to use the internet, pwede ka maging VA. Pwede ka maging online marketer. Ang kailangan mong maintindihan is you have to have that desire to understand what marketing is. Can everybody type desire? May desire ka ba para maintindihan ang online marketing? Kasi ang online marketing is nothing but marketing. Sa internet. Yun lang naman. So, hindi naman masyadong big deal. Yung mga nagtatanong tungkol sa SWA, alam niyo yung SWA, guys? Have you heard of SWA? Supreme Wealth Alliance. Have you heard of that? So, ano yan? Multi-level marketing po yan. Hindi po namin ginagawa yan. Weird yan, weird. Bakit weird? Kasi ang multi-level marketing, sobrang layo niyan sa online marketing. Sobrang layo. Unang-una, merong produkto. Somebody has a product somewhere that needs to be purchased. And you need to be able to sell that product to people. Right? Nga lang, hindi naman kami interesado mag-sell ng product to people. Ang online marketer is a person who knows how to market anything sa internet. Hindi lang yung produkto na yan. Get? Supreme Wealth Alliance, meron siyang sariling produkto. Hindi yan ang business natin. Okay? Layo yun eh. You have to be selling online, not marketing online. So, yun. So, red, text, type mo na lang. Kamusta ka na ba? Update us kung ano nangyayari sa'yo. Kahit bad, okay lang yun. So, yung mga nasa FB groups is nabi nyo na lang yung mga Supreme Wealth Alliance kasi multi-level lang po yan. Wala po tayo masyado mapapala dyan kung gusto natin matuto na mag-work from home. Okay? Hindi siya scam masyado. Ano lang siya, multi-level marketing, which ang Tagalog talaga ng multi-level marketing, selling. Selling po yan. Kailangan ba magaling mag-English? Kaya mong magbasa ng English na pang grade 4? Pwede. Pag hindi mo kayang magbasa at mag-type ng pang grade 4 ng English, you probably will not make it. Okay? Halimbawa, nasa Facebook ka. Di mo naiintindihan yung page. Facebook. English yung Facebook, di ba? Hindi mo naiintindihan yan. Pagtingin mo sa Facebook, litong-lito ka, shucks, hindi tayo pwede dyan. Ultimo Facebook, hindi mo alam paano gamitin, hindi talaga po pwede. Okay? Kasi it's English, right? About, photos, friends, more. Ngayon, magaling ba ako sa English? Oo, magaling ako. Ginagamit ko ba yung kagalingan ko sa English? Hindi. Napapansin yung mga emails ko, daming mali. Hindi ako magaling sa English. Kasi tamad ako magbasa ng sarili kong gawa. So, kung magaling ka sa English, hindi importante. Ang kailangan magaling ka sa marketing. Yun. Kasi pwede ka bang mag-hire ng tao magaling sa English. Okay. Sabi ni Noel, nakapagbayad na ako ng regular VA downloadable. I haven't received the access yet. Can I upgrade to bundle 1? Yeah, sure. Of course, you can upgrade. Noel, i-email mo lang si Nikki kung gusto mong mag-upgrade. Yan. Kung hindi mo patatanggap, sige, go ahead. Okay lang yan. Ang oras ng webinar sa January 20 to 24 ay 8 to 10. And Belza, hindi ko nagawa ang assignment ko. Okay lang ba mag-enroll under bundle 2 or 4? Okay lang. Let me look at that. Ano ba yung bundle 2 and 4 na yan? Nasa na po siya? Ay, toto. So, bundle 2 is work from home advanced kit. Okay lang. Pang Inspire, bundle 4 is ultimate Facebook marketing guide. Okay lang din. Kasi nakakadagdag siya ng skills. Kahit hindi mo pa nagagawa yung VA assignment. And for those of you who don't know, no, bundle 1, tell me, can you see the screen? Anong nakikita niyo sa screen? Yung 12 Days of Christmas? Can you see the 12 Days of Christmas? Yeah. Ang bundle 1, kasi maraming tao hindi pa naman alam yun, yung VA seminar, yan yung how you can work from home startup kit. Ganyan. Ang VA seminar, hindi siya basta seminar na dinownload, tas ni-record lang, no? Yan pagkatapos mong download yung seminar na yan, pakinggan mo, may papagawa kami. Now, yung papagawa namin, ang tawag namin doon, yung assignment. Yung assignment na yan, gagawa ka ng resume, gagawa ka ng website, gagawa ka ng blog, may obligasyon kaming i-check yung trabaho mo. So, yan yun, priceless. We're going to check, iisa-isahin namin bawat linya at bawat page ng blog mo at resume mo. Ultimo cover letter pag gumawa ka, para malaman namin kung tama ba yung gawa mo. Now, sobrang detalye to the point na sometimes 10 pages yung binibigay naming review sa website mo at saka sa trabaho mo. 10 pages. So, bawat isa sa inyo, pag nag-avail kayo ng VA Seminar Downloadable, Bundle 1, VA Seminar Live, yung Advanced VA Seminar sa March 22, meron kaming obligasyon para i-check yung work mo. Ngayon, kung normally ang deadline ng 2 months after the event or the download, kailangan mag-submit ka na ng resume sa amin. Pag hindi ka nakapag-submit, may obligasyon pa rin kaming mag-check kahit na 3 years after. Naintindihan nyo? 3 years after, nag-submit ka ng resume. 3 years ago, nag-seminar ka sa amin. Ngayon mo lang natapos, after 3 years, may obligasyon pa rin kami mag-check. Naintindihan nyo? So we don't leave you kahit na 2-3 years ago ka nag-take ng seminar or nag-download. We still support you. Okay? So, ang bundle 1 lang ay may dagdag pa. No? We have a new version for the how are you qualified to work from home. We have a new version for the Myths and Facts webinar. And it's a brand new webinar called How to Ask Your Client for a Higher Rate. Now, yung webinar na yan, recording na lang yan. Hindi kayo kailangan pa mag-reserve ng time. Recording na lang yan. The Gmail Mastery course is a powerful course para magaling ka sa email. Having said that, ang mga tanong dito na, paano kung hindi ka magaling magsulat? Alam mo, pag nag-virtual assistant ka, hindi kailangan magaling ka magsulat. Marunong ka ba mag-type ng English? Importante yun. Marunong ka mag-type in English. Marunong ka gumamit ng spell checker. I mean, pag si Microsoft Word o si Gmail, in-underline niya yung text mo, sine-check mo ba kung, correct. Please correct. Nag-auto-correct kasi yan eh. Do you pay attention when you type stuff? Or naggaganto ka mag-type? Oh, ganito oh. Kamusta na you? Ganyan ka oh. Ngayon, nakikita niyo yung screen ko. Meron bang red underline yung kamusta o wala? May si red underline? May ibig sabihin yung red underline na yan. Sabihin may mali. Pinapansin mo ba yan? Kasi it's not about you being great in English. It's about you paying attention na mali yan. So, sasabi niya, check spelling, show spelling and grammar. So, kailangan ayusin. Ayaw niya ng kamusta kasi Tagalog yan. So, I will English it. How are you doing? Doing. Yan, oh. Nakikita niyo yung wrong spelling ko. Ngayon, pwede mong hindi pansinin yan. Or, right-click mo, tapos tinan mo kung ano yung tamang spelling. Dying ba? Yun ba yung gusto mong sabihin? How are you dying? How are you, ano ba? Kasi mali eh. Di ba? So, ano ba? Right-click ko, doing, o towing, hoeing. Ano bang gusto mong sabihin? Now, this one has nothing to do with being magaling sa English. Nagkamali ka, sinabi naman niyang mali kasi may underline, so gawin mo siyang doing. Ganun lang. So, kung tinatamad kang mag-correct, sinasabi na sa iyo ng computer na mali, hindi na yan kagalingan sa English. Okay? Attitude na yan. Okay? Now, pag ikaw ay nag-virtual assistant, hindi ibig sabihin vlogger ka. Hindi ibig sabihin writer ka. Ikaw ang pipili ng trabaho mo. Pag ikaw ay nag-Facebook marketing, no? Video marketing, hindi ibig sabihin vlogger ka. Gagawa ka nga ng video eh. No, di ba? God is good. Okay ba? Ang payment for the 60% hanggang bukas na lang ha. In-extend ko na yan ha. Hanggang tomorrow na lang po. Oh, naubusan ako ng tanong. So, please ask your questions. I'm going to show you something na hindi ko pa nakita kanina. So, Christmas bundle number. Sino dito interested sa online marketing? Yung, sorry. Sino dito ang may business na? Kung may business man kayo, pakita ko sa inyo tong bundle number. Nikki, walang bundle number? Bundle number 7. Dapat dito may bundle number 7. So, ito yung marketing success formula. Bago nyo husgahan na ang mahal niyan, tingnan nyo mabuti yung laman ha. Number 1 na laman niya, yung MMI Marketing Insider. Meron siyang 12 months na lessons. Branding, websites, images, presentation, sales letter, Facebook timeline. Panay example to, headlines, email offers, free products to give, blog posts, videos, social media postings. Lahat ito, at least 20 examples. Sabi nga 20. 20 examples yan. Yan. Mga examples lahat yan. So instead na babigyan ko kayo ng essay, binibigyan ko kayo ng 20 examples a month kung what I mean by good and bad. Okay? Good and bad na social media posting. Ito pinapakita ko ngayon sa screen sa inyo. That is just lesson 6 sa MMI, which is part of the marketing success formula for business people. Now that's 12 months of 20 examples. Puntahan ko dito. Great marketing images. Part 1, 10 examples siya ng mga na yan. Ay mag-display, bagal. Pani images kasi. So, part of that, this is MMI, this is part of marketing success formula, bundle 7, is social media bonuses, which is tutorials on Facebook, tutorials on WordPress, tutorials on Twitter, autoresponder, tutorials on video, YouTube, LinkedIn, and eYellow Pages. Puntahan natin yung tutorials on Twitter halimbawa para makita nyo yung laman. So, ito, Twitter tutorials, ang katutak na how to create a Twitter, introduction to Twitter, interface guide, the terms of Twitter, retweets and mentions, how to use Hootsuite, Twello, Tweet Effect, at kung ano-ano pa. Now, this is just the Twitter part. Meron pang webinar ito. Month 1, fulfilling your dreams, managing VAs, SEO, blogging, okay? Meron pa ditong blogging, affiliate marketing, how to create an ebook, how to sell the ebook, event promotion, Facebook ads, and advertising and blogs. That's just the webinars. And you can actually download the stuff if you want. There are also live meetups na recordings. Okay, recordings ng webinars, recording ng live meetups. part siya ng marketing success formula, which is actually bundle 7. Nasaan na yun? Sorry, inubo ko. Yan pa lang, ang dami-dami na. Now that's just the bonus part. 6,000 a month na for 7 months. The actual thing that you're getting is actually the marketing success formula, which is brand new lessons on how to harvest treasure from YouTube. Hindi game The secret you don't want your customers to buy. Ano yan? The secrets why your customers don't buy, how to target the right target profile, how to create near perfect headlines, ridiculously simple ways you know how to make your clients say I do. Okay, how to harvest real treasure from YouTube and Facebook. Mas meron pa siyang bonus, how to start an online marketing. That's a seminar, that's a bonus, okay? Online earning pros and cons, 10 things you need to have to earn big, and 8 critical messages to a winning marketing messages. 8 critical ingredients to a winning marketing message. This is all part of the marketing success formula. And there is also an evaluation exam and a personal exam. There's also webinars and recordings of webinars and meetups. Okay, so ang webinar sa marketing success formula 3 hours long yan, once a month. And there's also a 4 to 5 hour live meetup na nire-record din namin yung audio. So that is the marketing success formula along with the MMI, the Marketing Master Insider, which forms part of this one, bundle number 7, advanced marketing for your online biz and VA consultancy. If you want to run a VA consultancy, you should be here. We meet every month for 7 months. If you are already running a business, you should be here. And it is for 2 people pa. Okay, so essentially, 3,000 per person. 2 people. One is a virtual assistant or an employee, and one is the owner of the company. That's the design for that. So if you're listening to the recording, this is what you want if you have a business or you want to run a business online. The limitation, however, is that we want you to already have something to sell. We will not help you find something to sell. You should be selling something already. And magaganda yung mga businesses na makakasama mo dyan. They're entrepreneurs. Most of them are under Bo Sanchez Wealth Circle and Mastermind, and they're just doing online marketing with me. Okay? So the people involved here, ang members ng Marketing Success Formula is, let me just show you some companies na involved. Which is Green Wasabi. Pag nagpapa-deliver ka ng ano yun, mga sushi, yan. Sushidelivery.ph, yan, sila yan. Kasama namin sila sa mga marketing success formula. Okay. So, ganyan, kaya itsura niyan. Okay. They got recently featured on TV, by the way. Okay. So, yan, si Green Wasabi. The Makati Dog and Cat Hospital. They're also part of our program, the Marketing Success Formula. Ayan, di ba? Social na sila ngayon. Sophia Jewelry, which is actually based in Zamboanga. Sophia Jewelry is based in Zamboanga and they're part of our program. Okay. Sino ba? Hindi ko matandaan yung ibang mga members. Yung name ng company nila. Sorry. Redox Chemical Industries. Yung naman nagsasell sila ng chemicals, no? Part sila ng group namin on these are the guys who cleaned up the Born Legacy na scene. Okay? Redox Chemicals. So they sell chemicals online. Intindi, no? So they're member of our group also. And of course, si Mabes. If you've been attending the feast, Mabes Angeles is also a member of the Marketing Success Formula. Ang pangalan niya Happy Homes Realty, Happy Homes Manila. Yan kanilang Facebook page. And siya yung rags to riches na story sa Feast. So she's one of our members also. And DB Gadgets, hindi siya included sa group. Hindi namin kilala yung owner ng DB Gadgets. Marina, si Awesome Adoptions also is a member of the group. Awesome Adoptions Philippines. Ayan, she's also a member of our group. Marina actually spoke in the TED conference in Diliman. So Awesome Adoptions. She spoke on adoptions. I actually helped her make her scripts at TED. So one of our members, if you want to see her and you want to see the script that I helped make, you go to TEDx Diliman, tapos adoptions. Sa YouTube to, kinakabahan pa siya. You can see her you can see her her speech that I helped her create dun sa TEDx Diliman. Ay, nasa YouTube dapat, hindi ito. Hanapin natin YouTube. Para makita nyo lang, an actual human being na who's a member of the Marketing Success Formula. Okay? So, hindi ko makita eh. Dapat nandito eh. Yan. Marina Adoptions TEDx. So if you don't know what TED is a massive, massive, massive organization and in the world for people who to make a change or give ideas. And Marina is a member of the Marketing Success Formula. Okay? So yeah, it's Marina's TEDx talk. Tinulungan ko siyang gawin. Okay, Docs? So ano pa ba? Ang nag-attend ng workshop ko is the person who owns Gadget Grocery. Si Audie Villarasa. Yun yung sinasabi mong gadget. He attended my workshops before, which is the basis of the online mentoring club. Yan, si Gadget Grocery. Ayan. Siya nagsasell ng gadgets sa internet. Na, wow, mura naman ng TV na to. 28,000, 50-inch. Okay, so there. Yan yung isa sa mga dati ko students yan, si Audie Villarasa. So, anybody else with a question, please? While waiting for the live seminar on March 22, what's the best thing to do so I can have an online gig? Question, ano ang unavail mo, Diana Tolentino? Bundle 1, bundle 3, or singles? So I understand what you got. Kasi mayroong Christmas singles eh. Yung Christmas singles, pwede kang kumuha ng seat dun sa seminar. Ayan on March 22 sa singles. Ayun siya. So if you got this, the best thing that you can do is, by the way, ito yung, let me go back. Christmas singles, tapos pagpili ko sa singles, meron ditong Virtual Assistant Seminar, 1 premium seat. Yan, yung premium seat. This is what yung mga kalokohan na ginagawa natin sa seminar. Indian Post. Tapos, yung premium seat niyan, 6,900 yan. So, it's only 3,900 kung gusto mo mag-attend. Ang premium seat, merong recording yan ng event. Tama ba ako? Dear Nikki, may recording ng event. So, sobrang discount yan. If you guys are waiting for a seminar on virtual assistant, yung March 22 yung pinakamalapit, I suggest, kunin nyo na to. Sobrang taas na ng discount na to. 30%. Malapit nang bukas ang ending ng discount na yan. Kunin nyo na to. Tapos, while waiting for that, you go to YouTube and watch all my webinars. Watch it. Watch all of it. there are at least 2 of those webinars na nandyan pa rin, hindi namin binubura, na will allow you to increase your confidence na. Okay? Paano ka kikita sa internet. You don't want to earn money first sa internet. Ang kung gusto mong mangyari, you want to increase your confidence first. Tama ba ako? Yes or no? Paano ka kikita ng pera kung wala kang confidence sa sarili mo? Yeah? Yes or no? What do you think? So, hindi ka dapat pera agad. Pag ginawa mo yan, bagsak confidence mo. Okay? So, kailangan taasan mo yung confidence. How do you increase confidence? By going through all these videos. Now, how many videos are there in this channel? I don't know. Marami. More than 30, I think. Not sure. Okay? Now, some of the videos here, binubura namin, tinatago namin kasi limited lang ang exposure. But most of the videos here, magagamit mo yung mga tinuturo ko. What you need to do is, okay, ito, is watch them, apply what I teach. Okay? Hindi ko lang ilang videos to eh. Hindi niya sinasabi eh. Apply what I teach and then while you're waiting for the March 22 event. Okay? Libre na ito eh. Na a lot of people say, ito marami. Sabihin niyo kung guilty kayo ah. Guilty, type nyo guilty. Jomar, may libre kang webinar. Wala ako sa bahay during 8 o'clock Monday. Jomar, may free ka na webinar. May recording pa yung free webinar. Hindi ko naman mapanood kasi wala akong time. Kinukulit ako ng anak ko. Yan, di ba? Daming ganyan, ano? So, ganito na nga yun. Libre na yung webinar. May recording pa yung webinar. Some of the webinars have been here for 2 years. Mga kababayan, 2 taon na po ako nag-webinar. 2 taon. 2 years na pong naghihintay yung webinar para pakinggan mo. 2 years ka nang walang time. Kasi na kayo natatawa ako. Kasi pag titingnan mo mabuti, kalokohan na yun, di ba? Yung wala kang time, 2 years. 2 years, oh. Ito, 2 years na video. 2 different ways how Pinoy earns online. 6 mistakes to earning online, 2 years old. Biggest online mistakes. Are you qualified? Scams. Make Facebook earn for you. I mean, hello. 2 years na naghihintay yung webinar. Wala ka pa ring time. So next year, wala ka pa ring time. So ang kailangan mong gawin, isiguraduhin mo, gusto mo ba talaga yan? O nangangarap ka lang, pero wala kang gustong gawin. Now, you realize that pag nangangarap ka lang, wala kang gustong gawin, you don't really want something. Right? You don't really want something. So, anong solution doon? Ang solution doon, pag feeling mo, nandito ka pero you don't really want something, parang merong nag-pull down sa'yo, you need to plan your life. And the planning solution would be bundle number 5. How successful people plan and think. You need to change the way you plan and think. May tanong ako. Sino sa inyo ang guilty kayo, nega kayo? Ano yung negative na tao? Negative mag-isip. Ako nagsimula ako sa mundo ganyan eh. Sino dito ang guilty sa ganun? Negative. Pag merong sinasabing concept ang kahit sino, lagi akong nasasabing, hindi, mali yan, hindi yan tama, hindi magwo-work yan. Ang problema, ganun eh. Yan, ganyan mag-isip. Ang problema dyan, ganito eh. Marunong ako eh. Alam ko mali yan eh, ganyan magsalita. Ganyan ako magsalita noon eh. Nakatawa. So, hindi yan agad napapalitan. Hindi agad naaayos yung pagiging nega. The best way para maayos yung pagiging nega na yan is ma-expose ka sa tamang tao, ma-expose ka sa tamang libro, ma-expose ka physically sa people na makakatulong sa'yo. And this is that event, this planning event on January 27. Pakibasa na lang kung ano matatanggap ninyo for a 5,475 event. Na I suggest i-avail nyo na yan kasi po mga 8,000 yan pag lumabas na sa promo period. Mga ganun. Okay? It's a workshop. And it's not an ordinary workshop na makikinig lang kayo. You are going to think about your life. Ang question, gaano ka-importante ba yung life mo? Sino dito kayang sumagot nun? Importante po ba ang life mo o hindi? Yeah, kaya niyan. Gaano ka-importante yung life mo? So, that's an event where you're going to think about your life. Okay? And you're going to write down your plans. And I'm going to help you write down plans. What do you think? Valuable, not valuable? Nakakatulong kung sumagot ka para masaya. Valuable or not valuable? That you write down your plans for your life on paper and there's a guide on how to do it. Now, marami kasing tao kayang-kayang sabihin, hindi, kaya kong gawin yan. Magsusulat, magsusulat ng ng plano sa buhay. Sige, gawin mo. Now na. Hindi, gawin mo talaga. Bago matapos ang taon, pangako mo sa sarili mo, gagawa ka ng, magsuspend ka ng one day, man lang, no? One day man lang. Writing down your plans for the next 5 years of your life. Ikaw na rin bahala sa guidance. Pwede naman kasi talaga. The reason why we have an event like this, kasi dito nabubuhay ang mga successful people. Yan, diyan nagsisimula sa mga plans na written. Sino ba ang gusto maging successful? Do you want to be successful? Sa definition mo yes or no? Yes or no? Successful sa definition mo, yes or no? Hindi definition ko, your definition. Tanong, ano ang definition mo ng successful in writing? 25 items. Meron ba? Hindi, Jomar, madali, simple lang naman ang gusto ko eh. Gusto ko lang may 2 kotse, 2 anak, 1 bahay, 1 asawa. Yeah, sure. Pag tinanong, anong kulay ng dingding ng bahay na gusto mo, hindi mo alam. Kasi, wala kang plano. Yun ang catch doon. Hindi naman importante yung Jomar eh. That's what you think. Thinking about your future or your plans in life is not as important as writing it down. Okay? Yan yung thing na natutunan ko sa mga mentors namin na mga sikat, magagaling, nagagawa sila ng physical written plan. Most of the mentors will tell you to make a plan. I'm telling you to meet me sa January 25 and let's plan together. And if you have a question, nandun kaming lahat. Mas maganda pa yung venue kasi 25th floor tayo dyan. Ay, maganda ang tanaw, malayo ang tanaw, maganda ang mga upuan. At hindi kasya kayong lahat. Kasi kasya ko lang dyan siguro mga, I don't know, 30 people? Masikip na yon. So, I'd like this event to be a good time for you to think about your life and plan it. Jomar, pag pinaplano ko, hindi nangyayari eh. Hindi. Totoo lang yun sa mga bagay na talagang hindi mo sinusulat. Okay, the venue will be our Sky Lounge and Rosewood Point. However, that's not final. We could be doing it in the Sky Lounge of Tivoli Gardens, which would be in between Mandaluyong and Makati, overlooking Pasig River, and ang view ninyo yung Makati skyline. Now, kung matuloy yung venue na yon, that would be fun kasi gusto ko dun eh. So, let me just look for the venue. I've been here, so good. Have you seen Makati and the Pasig River from the sky? Yun ang view dito. Okay? So this is very near Makati, tatawid ka lang, and this is in Mandaluyong. As wala kang tower na katabi. So, yeah, there it is. This is the view from the roof deck. Yan, diyan ka magpaplano ng buhay mo. Yan. Kung gusto mo lang, no? Kung gusto mo lang. Na-reserve na namin 'yan. VI Seminar 101 is 1 day only. Sige, i-refresh ko lang yung screen, ha? Pakita ko sa inyo yung venue namin. Kasi nireserve na namin to. Kita nyo yan? Now, hindi lahat ng tao makakaupo sa mga upuan yan. Hindi naman marami yan eh. Some of you will be sitting inside. Maganda rin sa loob. By the way, hindi kita dyan. Pag tumingin ka sa baba, kita mo yung Pasig River, maganda. Hindi siya yucky. Okay? And here is this is the venue inside. Just in case gusto mo lang, gusto mo lang umupo dyan at magplano, parang hotel. Lang ang taas. So this is the place I want you to plan your life. In the middle of Makati and Mandaluyong, overlooking Pasig River. Kita dito ang Manila, pati actually kita dito ang Manila Bay also. So this is not Rosewood, this is in Mandaluyong, and I want you guys to enjoy the time here. Kakain tayo dyan. At the same time, you will plan your day. Ay, hindi. Dansalan yan eh. Hindi yan. Can't find any more pictures eh. Nasaan pa ba yung mga pictures? Here. Gusto ko malaki. Hindi, amin to eh. Sa Rosewood yan eh. So, here's another view, I think. Yeah, Tivoli Gaya. Ito yung sa labas. Tignan mo ilang seats na lang yan. 12 seats sa labas. Wow. Okay. Pag wala ka naman, meron tayong webinar no, na 5 days. So, ikaw naman na mag-retreat mag-isa. Okay? So, yan yung venue natin sa bundle, what is that? Bundle 5, How Successful People Plan and Think. You get 1 day na to attend, and then you get a bonus, how to think like the secret weapon of Apple, then how to be the next Steve Jobs, okay, and how to think like an online marketer before you sleep. And those are the bonus videos and webinars that we have given you for this low rates. Right? So again, if you are serious about your life and success, you need to make written plans on a nice notebook using a nice ball pen, and you need to join us in bundle number 5. If you cannot attend, wait for the announcement for the January 20 to 25 na webinar series leading up to the live event. Ito, man. May yan, webinar series at 20 to 24 pala. And we're going to do the same thing that we will be doing 25. Only we're going to do it online. There's also an option to attend all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, including yung live workshop. Yan. Okay? May tanong pa po kayo? Tahimik lang ako ulit para makapagtanong kayo. By the way, there's an option here, see it all in one page if you want to do comparison. Punta ka din sa see it all in one page, compare mo silang lahat. Madaling mag-compare dito. Okay? Lusal, uwi ka kasi. Do you hire virtual assistants among the attendees of the seminars to work for you? Yep. I hire if I like them. Actually, hindi totoo yan. I hire VAs if my VAs like them. Yeah. We know kung good enough i-hire yung VA, yung candidate, titingnan namin yung assignment nyo. Kung gusto ng mga VAs ko yung assignment mo, yung blog mo, yung resume mo. And we never look at your qualifications sa school. Let me repeat. We never look at your qualifications sa school. We never consider kung graduate ka ng kung ano. We only look at your skills as displayed in the blog. Okay? So, yun. Bakit kailangan nasa mataas na lugar pag nagpa-plan? Kasi pag nasa mataas na lugar ka, ang tingin mo sa mundo, iba. Pag nasa beach ka, Boracay ka, may beach ka, no? Ang nakikita mo lang, tubig. Kasi wala ka masyadong maabot sa mata mo. Tubig lang eh. So yung gusto kasi ng iba, nagpaplano sila sa Boracay eh. Ako, nagplano ako sa Tagaytay. Kasi pababa ang tingin. Pag pababa, mas marami ka nakikita. Makikita mo rin yung future. Makita mo yung mga sasakyan, parating na doon. Alam mo, matatraffic sila. So, the way you behave when you're in a high place, Lucel, alam mo, paplano ka. No? Nasaan ka ba, Lucel? Anong bansa ka ba? Maghanap ka ng bundok o skyscraper, pumunta ka sa pinakataas, tapos doon ka magplano. Kasi the way you see the world is different. Ay, ko Dubai, pumunta ka sa pinakamataas na building sa mundo, tapos mag-rent ka ng room, kumain ka doon sa restaurant araw-araw, tapos doon ka magplan sa may bintana. Kasi the way you see the world is different when you are high. Pag mataas yung location mo. So that's why we pick high places to plan. Okay? Number two, maganda rin kasi na malamig para hindi ka pinapawisan kasi nakaupo ka ng mga ilang oras nagsusulat. Okay? Ano pa? And ang pinaka-secret talaga dyan, when you do planning, kaya gagawin natin yan sa Tivoli, is the height gives you perspective. Can everybody type perspective? Okay. Hindi pang grade 4 yon, alam ko, yung perspective na word. I know that. Pero, yun yung pinakamagandang word na naiisip ko eh. You see things differently. If you see things differently than the normal person, mas nakakita mo yung future. Subukan mong magplano sa loob ng taxi. Diba? Sa loob ka ng taxi, plano mo yung buhay mo. Iba eh, kasi wala kang makita sa loob ng taxi. Napakasislit ng mundo. Pag mataas yung location mo, nakita mo yung possibilities ng buhay. Bakit isusulat sa papel at hindi ta-type sa laptop ang mga plano? Sapagkat pag tinype mo sa laptop, tapos kinrush ko yung laptop mo, ano mangyayari sa plano mo? Number two, pag ikaw ay naging abo na, alam mo yung abo? You know, pag lolo na ang apo mo, abo ka na. Hindi nila makikita kung ano ang sinulat mo pag ni-laptop mo yan. Pero pag ginamit mo yung kwadernong papel, mababasa nila yan. Malalaman nila kung ano kang klaseng tao. Anong klase kang mangarap. So, yan, iiwan mo yan sa mga taong susunod sa'yo. So, gusto mo ba yung mga apo-apo mo, apo-apo nila, naaaliw sa kwento mo, sa mga pangarap mo? Kasi nakikita nila nagkatotoo. Gusto mo ba babasahin nila yung mga plano mo para sa kanila na gumanda yung buhay nila? Tapos na-experience na nila, pero nababasa nila yung sinusulat mo pa lang yung mga plano mo para sa kanila. Hindi pa sila buhay, pinlano mo na na maging maganda ang buhay nila. Gusto mo ba yon? Tingin mo? Pakisabi mga sa akin kung gusto mo yon. Imagine mo sila, binabasa nila, naaaliw sila, natutuwa sila sa'yo, pero wala ka na. Tingin nyo? Okay, kung gusto nyo yan, dapat meron ka written plan. Tapos pag ilang buwan na, sinasabi mo, oo, pero wala pa rin, sumama ka na sa event. Hindi mo gagawin yan mag-isa. Okay? So, let me just, so that's, bundle 5, successful people planning thing. It's cheaper than an iPhone, cheaper than an Android tablet, cheaper than anything else, sa totoo lang. One day workshop changes your life. Plus, maganda pa yung venue. Kasama na pagkain. Okay. So, sumama ka na dyan. Maawa ka sa sarili mo. Ilang taong ka ng buhay, wala ka pa rin written plan. Okay? Si Jomar, bakit makakilala kung naging successful, walang written plan? Tanungin mo. Yung talagang successful, tanungin mo kung wala silang written plan. Tanungin mo. Nung wala silang written plan, ano yung ginamit nila? Tanungin mo. Normally, may mga written plans yan. Huwag mo sabihin yung mga nanalo ng contest, walang written plan. May plano sila, ginagawa nila. Most people, they don't have a plan, they're not doing anything. So, kaya wala nangyayari sa buhay nila. So, I'm really sorry kung medyo parang pang very successful people naman ata yung programs mo. Oo, talaga. My plan is not to make you kinda successful. No. My plan is to make you very successful. Kaya ginagawa natin to. Kahit na walang kinalaman to sa internet marketing daw. Daw lang naman. Meron actually. So, I just wanted to talk to you again, hindi again, about the difference between Bundle 1, Bundle 2, and Bundle 3. One is the Virtual Assistant Seminar recording. Okay? Lahat ng discounts hanggang bukas na lang po ang deadline. And if you haven't attended the VA seminar, you have not downloaded, you better get Bundle 1 before tomorrow ends. Okay? Kasi yan na yung best way to earn money within 3 months time. Pwede ka na mag-resign in 3 months depending on how high. Can you type the word high? Mataas. How high you make your confidence go up. The more sleepless nights you devote to studying yung mga Facebook apps, Facebook ads, Dropbox, Pinterest, Canva, yung mga apps na discuss din sa VA seminar, the more time you spend practicing on how to use PicMonkey, the higher your confidence will go. The higher the confidence, the higher the amount you will demand. And the more they will believe you that you are worth it. The more they will believe you that you're worth what you are asking for. Tapos, hindi ka matatawa sa sarili mo pag sinasabi mo, my rate is 1,000 pesos an hour. If you don't understand what that means, that's 8,000 pesos a day. Maganda ba yun? Anong tingin nyo? 8,000 pesos a day. Kung ayaw nyo nun, 4 hours lang kayo mag-work, 4,000 pesos a day. That is around 80,000 pesos a month. Okay na ba yun? Okay na ba yun? The only problem is, kaya mo bang sabihin sa email at sabihin sa chat at sabihin sa interview sa internet, my rate is 1,000 pesos an hour nang hindi ka mukhang nahihiya. Yung walang tono mo na, nakakahiya naman sa'yo, 1,000 pesos an hour ako eh. You know what I mean? How do you increase your confidence in saying that? By increasing the skills that you have. Okay? So, VA seminar, nandyan sa Work at Home Bundle 1. If you want to know more skills para tumaas yung rate mo, tingin mo not enough yung VA seminar, there's the Advanced Work at Home Kit, that's Bundle 2. Increases your confidence more. There's 6 VAs interviewed in that bundle. There are 3 experts on work from home interviewed in that bundle. Kami nag-interview. Bundle 3 will give you Bundle 1 and Bundle 2 plus attendance to sa March 22 na seminar. So, you got everything na. Ultimate package. Tapos, kung gusto mong matuto ng Ultimate Facebook Marketing, this is brand new. We have not released this before. It is not in any webinar I've given in the past. Ultimate Facebook Marketing Guide. Ang katutak na brand new tutorials on doing Facebook marketing. So, that's Bundle 4. Jomar, bakit meron ka pang full Ultimate Facebook, meron ka namang Ultimate Package dito? Ito kasi pang Facebook lang talaga. Some people ayaw naman nila mag-Facebook. Some people ayaw nila mag-video, gusto nila mag-Facebook. So dito ka na lang sa Facebook. Yung iba gusto mag-write, so hindi sila pumunta sa Facebook. So it's very, very specific. Some people have a business, gusto nila ma-promote sa Facebook lang. They're not in Manila, so they can't join my Bundle 7, which is the Marketing Success Formula, which is a monthly program for 7 months with 2 meetups, 1 internet, 1 live, and that's Bundle 7 for existing businesses. So if you have an existing business, parang ang budget mo hindi pa masyadong malaki to join me, 6,000 a month, you go get the Ultimate Facebook Marketing Guide. Okay? Now, Bundle 6 is for everybody else na ayaw mag-work from home, ang gusto kumita sa internet using marketing. You don't want to work for someone. You want to sell products and services which is not yours or maybe yours. You start in online marketing. Ito yan. So there are a lot of you guys actually who are virtual assistants and member ng Bundle 6. Kasi long-term learning ang Bundle 6. I will carefully slow down. The skills you will learn in Online Mentoring Club Bundle 6 will be more than all of these things combined, pero slower. Slower. Except for Bundle 7, mas marami kang matututunan sa Bundle 7. For matututunan mo lahat ng Bundle 1 to 5 sa Bundle 6, except for Bundle 1 to 4 sa Bundle 6. Nga lang, we're going to take 1 year to teach you that. Kasi mabagal ang spacing ng bundle na online mentoring club. Mabagal po ang pacing ng online mentoring club. Mabagal po. Sobrang bagal po. If you're a beginner, you would love na mabagal kami. Okay, dokes. So, there's no requirement to joining any one of these or getting any one of these. Kung hindi ka pa tapos sa assignment ng VA, pwede ka mag-bundle 2, pwede ka mag-bundle 3, pwede ka mag-bundle 4. Okay lang kung hindi ka pa tapos. Okay? And lastly, if you're interested in getting it all, bundle 8 would it be. Take all the bundles 1 to 7. Okay? And you can slowly get everything if you have the money to spend and the time to consume the stuff and to join our meetings. Okay, so that's bundle 8. So that is it. That's the end of my webinar for today. And there's another webinar tonight. If you want to know more, you want to ask more questions, magtanong kasi kayo. Okay? Join us tonight at 8 o'clock. Okay? So, again, you have until tomorrow to get this bundles and singles. It's 20 to 60% off. Please do take advantage of this. Telling you straight, this is for your success. And if you're afraid na, oy, baka itakas mo ang aming money, you are not the first person to join this. Okay? We have been doing this for 5 years, and we have this insane guarantee, which is even more insane today. 45 days, 100% money back, plus 1,000 pesos if you ask for a refund. Let me just repeat. 45 days money back. If you don't like what you just got, we'll give you 1,000 pesos just for trying it out. Okay? So, hello. Kung meron kayong friend na mahal nyo talaga, you better force this person to read this website at least. Sabi mo, hindi, wag kang bumili. Basahin mo lang yung website. Ganon. See? No? So, how to go to this website? You just go to this page, jhilario.com/xmasbundles2013. Please do share it to the people you love because you love them. Tell them, wag kang bumili. Basahin mo lang. So last question from Cindy, how do you pay taxes? Like a business person, you pay taxes by asking the accountant. That is the solution to taxes. Okay, so wag mag-isip na parang empleyado na kailangan meron pang mag-withhold para sa'yo. Ang accountant mo ang tuturo sa'yo paano ka magbayad ng taxes. Just like me, I'm also dependent on my accountant. So thank you so much for joining. Remember, you have only tomorrow. Hanggang bukas na lang po. Hanggang bukas. By the way, just to help you decide, no? Kung kailangan mo mangutang para sumali dito, mangutang ka na. Because yun lang din naman ang ginawa ko eh. So, hello. There's no difference between you and me. Nangutang ako sa credit card para lang sumali sa mga mentoring program. Kaya bumalik. Alam mo bakit? Alam ko bayaran eh. Nag-pay attention ako sa lessons. Yun lang naman dyan eh. Ang sikreto sa focus, mag-invest ka para hindi ka tinatamad. Yun. So, hindi ka takot. Hindi ka tinatamad kasi obligado kang magbayad. Ako, obligado akong magbayad sa credit card ko. Eh, ang mahal-mahal na mga in-avail ko. 60,000, 80,000. Magpa-pay attention talaga ako sa lessons. So, if you think these prices are too low for you to pay attention, watch out after the Christmas promo. We will welcome you with our best prices na. Tataasan na namin siya. Kasi 60% off, 20% off na yan eh. Babalik na kami sa high price. Actually, hindi kami babalik. Tataasan pa namin. Because the higher the amount we charge, the more successful you will become. And that's our belief. Okay? Because the more attention you will give it, and the more chances you will give it, and the more hope you will get. Okay. Yes, you can use somebody else's credit card. Bayaran nyo na lang siya. Sabihin nyo sa amin kung kanino yon. Kung yung pinsan mo nagbayad, sabihin mo yung pangalan ng pinsan mo, tapos email mo kami, yung pinsan ko, ito pangalan, siya yung nagbayad. Ganon. So, hindi ako takot mangutang para matuto akong kumita. Pero yung mangutang para magkaroon ng magandang fancy gadget, ibang kwento yon. Okay? Mangutang para kumita, okay lang yun. May guarantee pa nga eh. So, may additional 1,000 kapag ayaw mo naman. Silba, nanega ka bigla. Sabi ng nanay mo, nako, i-scam yan! Naniwala ka, money back, 1,000 pesos, kumita ka pa. Sabihin sa'yo ng nanay mo, scam. Mami, kumita ako eh. Paano naging scam yun? Mukhang tayo nag-scam sa kanya. Ganun lang nga. Okay, so good night and see you tomorrow. Tonight pala at 8 o'clock. Thank you for listening. I do hope you invite people you love to join up tonight at 8 o'clock. Kasi wala na silang work. Okay? So I need more questions. I need more doubters, from you guys. And I need you guys to invite them para buksan ang mata nila. Lalo na yung mga nireklamo, yung mga nega. Wala namang pera sa Pilipinas eh. Yung mga ganyang klase. You think? Hindi naman kami kumukuha ng pera sa Pilipinas eh. Kaya nga foreigner mostly ang clients eh. Nasa labas ang pera. Dinadala lang namin sila sa loob. Parang OFW sa bahay. Di ba? Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you tonight.